When you think about making money from AI, you'd naturally assume that this privilege is reserved for engineers, developers, and data scientists. However, this assumption couldn't be further from the truth. The AI revolution has immense potential for non-techies, allowing anyone from creatives to everyday professionals and budding freelancers to build a scalable income and monetize their skill set. And you can do all of this without writing a single line of code. The real power of AI, especially generative AI for non-technical professionals, is in its extraordinary ability to make what would have taken weeks, months, even years, feel like a breeze and something which can easily be achieved within a fraction of the time. To make money from AI, you don't need to think about the technology itself, but rather, how can you leverage the AI tools which are readily available to you so you can achieve what you would have deemed impossible to accomplish before? Where and how can you apply AI to your freelance business so that it decreases your labor and multiplies your free time while making you more money? Let's break down some practical, no-code ways you can make at least $1,000 or more a month from AI. 1. Design AI-powered, done-for-you systems. For content creators, one way to make serious money with AI is to use it to help you create templates and done-for-you packages as ready-to-use business systems for influencers and content creators. This solves their headache and pain point of having to think about what content to produce next and how to package it to reach their audience. And it also helps you because you can use your expertise or prior experience in marketing, SEO, or freelance writing or content creation to generate bundles that will actually work for your clients. Using generative AI tools like ChatGPT makes it easier for you to produce these bundles at scale and sell multiple packages, but you must ensure that you thoroughly review and tweak the AI's output, as there will be some errors, repetitions, or aspects that are best omitted. Selling digital products has massive earning potential, as this is a form of passive income that can sell without you being present. To give you an example, if you sold a bundle of content templates, digital marketing calendars, and content ideas which are industry or audience specific, you could charge $100 and with just 10 sales that month make $1,000. That's just a beginning price point. Some freelancers sell their templates for as much as $400. It all depends on the value you put in. And with that, you can achieve your earnings goal in 2 sales. 2. Build a subscription-based digital marketing service for small local businesses. You know that bakery downtown that's your go-to every time you need something sweet and comforting? The locals know them, but visitors and tourists outside of town are unaware that they exist. That's where you come in. Get to know the owners, talk to them about the benefits of being more visible online so they can attract more customers. Your unique knowledge of the neighborhood and local area, plus any relevant industry background you have. For example, if you used to work in hair care or hairdressing, you could promote your services to the local salon, will help you stand out as an invaluable service and make it easier for brick-and-mortar businesses with zero time or marketing abilities to partner with you to generate digital content for their businesses. Use ChatGPT and Canva's AI-powered tools to create and share content for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc., including captions, calls to action, and promotional campaigns for social media. This subscription could cost them anywhere between $400 to even $1,000 a month, especially if you ran a done-for-you social media marketing service powered by AI. 3. Create AI study plans and resources. If you have a background in education, teaching, or learning and development, you could use this expertise to curate AI-generated study plans, worksheets, quizzes, tests, and other learning resources, including study guides and revision guides, and sell these as packs or individually on online marketplaces, such as Teachers Pay Teachers, Stuvia, and even Etsy. Make them specific to subjects that you are already proficient in so that you can fact-check them and ensure accuracy and relevance. E-commerce is a field that has unlimited potential for earnings, and with consistency and strong targeted marketing efforts, you can gradually build up a steady stream of surplus income. For instance, if you sold a study plan or revision guide for just $5, you could achieve $100 in sales with 20 orders. 5 times that amount, and you'd be sitting on $1,000 that month.